Ready? Paragraph start. The problem of sugar has always become a headache to the consumers as well as the government. Sometimes it is due to less production of sugar, and sometimes it is due to abnormal increase in prices. In the present days, the upward trend of increase in price has reached such a high level that it had never touched before. At as present, the sugar is being sold at rupees 30 per kilogram. Not only sugar but the prices of all essential commodities, it is observed, have gone up far beyond the limits the common man could reasonably bear. Sugar dealers are here to say that the cost of sugar would still go up to the level of rupees 60 per kilogram shortly. The whole picture is causing much anxiety to the consumers. It is true that the sugar is sold at a cheaper rate on ration cards through the authorized ration shops, but it is so inadequate that it hardly constitutes 10% of their normal consumption, and the balance 90% they are forced to purchase from the open market at a very heavy cost. Because the cost of sugar has gone up so high, the prices of sweets made of sugar have also gone up to unprecedented heights. The sugar manufacturers say that the sugar cane required for manufacturing sugar is not available in sufficient quantity, with the result that they cannot produce sugar in as much quantity as is necessary to meet the full requirements of the consumers. This is one of the main reasons of the sugar being sold at heavy cost in the present days. Whatever may be their reasons to justify this extraordinary steep rise in the price of sugar, the consumers of average means are very badly hit. Para to reduce the hardships of the consumers, the government have decided to import sugar from outside the country. Some consignments of sugar have actually arrived in the country and in is distributed on limited basis on ration cards through authorized ration shops. The intention behind this idea was evidently to assist in reducing the high prices of sugar manufactured in the country. But in actual effect, this object does not appear to have been fulfilled. The sugar prices are at the same level as before. This goes to show that the tendency of traders is not helpful towards reducing the hardships of consumers, and they are following their own ways. Stop.